Are you traveling to multiple countries and don't want to keep changing SIM cards? With an eSIM, that's no longer a problem. Yes, you can use an eSIM in multiple countries, and that's one of its biggest advantages. Unlike physical SIM cards, you don't need to buy a new one every time you cross a border. With HOLASIM eSIMs, you can choose between regional or global plans. We offer global plans that cover up to 80 or 150 destinations, as well as regional plans such as Europe, Asia, Oceania, and Latin America, which include multiple countries within each region. The eSIM is installed only once on your phone. When you land in a new country, your phone automatically connects to the best available network without changing plans. It's just important to check which destinations are included in your plan before traveling. And if your phone is unlocked, with HOLASIM, you can get connected in minutes with no roaming and no surprises. If you need help, our customer support team is available 24/7 via chat. We're here to keep you connected wherever you go. Hola world, HOLASIM.